Okay guys, on YouTube, this is Lone Wolf number 7, Cody, and he's shooting his pistol at this here can to try to knock it off that setup. And yes, to get a better angle, I climbed up this wooden pole. That's skill. I hope I don't fall down and break my legs.
Why the hell is there a school bus in the bird? Totally opposite.
Wow. Wait, everybody, that's a school bus and it's illegally passing through a private neighborhood. If you see this video, you should report it. Okay, continue. Ready? Hey, there's no school buses coming through my private neighborhood. Get a back angle shot so when it falls down. Wait, give me a second. I gotta go around this pole. Oh god, I might fall off. Oh, my jacket's stuck. Okay. Since Cody can't shoot long range, he's gonna scoot up now.
Yeah.
To the tree right there.
Fine. This is a thrust pistol. I never said it was a long range pistol. Hey, maybe it's not an accurate pistol either.
Oh, there you go, folks. He finally got it at the 2-minute mark.